progress. All right, so we actually had a good question on gold and about. I want to go to a flat, like a new chart on this so I can do it with you guys. All right, so one, we had a question about pitchforks and gold. Well, this is a good one. Gold is a good one for this because, you know, it's exceptionally long term. So I'm going to go all the way back. We're going to look at, this is a basically life of gold chart since the end of Bretton Woods. So back to the 70s. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to draw this huge channel back here. Okay. This is gold. And again, this is arithmetic. Or sorry, this is log scale. If it were arithmetic, it would be this. Which, by the way, is not to say that you can't use arithmetic. Like, for example, this is a perfect example of a slingshot trade where the market breaks out above the channel, right? Right here, boom, pulls back, takes off, right? And then that former channel line provides support as it did in 2015. But we're going to look at a log scale chart. And first thing you'll notice, see the center line of this channel? Look how important that line is. In fact, it's been exceptionally important for the last 3 or so years. Resistance, breakout, pullback, support, pullback, support. That was actually March 2020. So one, you're going to want to know where that is because that could be support again. But now let's move in a little shorter term. And let's go to, we'll look at a 4-hour chart. We're going to look at action since, actually we can look at a daily chart. We're going to look at action since the high from last August. Okay. We're going to draw a channel. There you go. That's just a channel, a simple channel. All you need, no indicator. And this is why we turned bullish gold back here in March, because we were at the lower channel. We were also at a pretty well-defined horizontal level, right? Just look to the left of the chart and you can see all this. So, you know, as I speak right now, gold is at a pretty important level. That would be the center line of the channel from the high back in August of last year, right? You can see this center line has been influential as resistance, break above as support, So you don't, frankly, you don't want to see gold. If you're a gold bull, you don't want to see gold too far below here. And now if I do kind of like a little intermarket thinking, which tends to get me in trouble sometimes, I will tell you this is another reason why I, you know, am kind of keen, if you will, on yen crosses to the downside a little bit. If you think of gold holding support here as it is, higher gold, historically means higher yen, or I shouldn't say means, but correlates with higher yen. And in that case is lower yen crosses, right? If we look at something like copper gold ratio, which copper is at huge resistance and gold looks near-term constructive. If that ratio starts to come off, again, lower yen crosses, lower yields, so higher TLT. And this is why I get in trouble when I start doing intermarket thoughts, right? Just look at the chart and trade the chart. Trade support and resistance, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, so someone had asked about pitchfork analysis on gold, and here you go, right? We have a very, very long-term structure, and we have a shorter-term structure that goes back to August, and that's it. So I hope that helps. So as you know, or should know, I am working with Scandinavian Capital Markets as the Chief Technical Strategist. We're based in Stockholm. Scandinavian Markets is a market maker, and we are looking for profitable traders to join our ranks. We have clients all over the globe that are looking for more strategies to invest in. So if you are a profitable trader and you would like to get into the money manager world, you know, all goes according to plan and things go well, you can get your, you can get your strategy funded with up to $2 million. Okay. So come and show us your skills. To register, go to scandinavianmarkets.com/fundmytrades. Again, that is scandinavianmarkets.com/fundmytrades.